Man, my stream shut off. And we tapped into this 5 minute zone and respected it for the time being, that is. Um, I don't know though. It's just like YM has to manipulate somehow. That's just not manipulation the slightest. I want to see us come down here. Because we had to leave it open for some reason. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. But I just know if we do go down there, it'll be pretty green to take a bite from that point. Tight stops. And the question with gold is, are we going to initiate out of here? And have another leg? Because range plays, I like simple range plays. If I just had a buy stop right here, I stop below this point, or probably below this point. And then no harm or foul if we break to the downside, because I don't get tapped in. But there was news today, and I'm glad I didn't even think to take a trade. Bro, what the hell? Hold on, bro. Hold the fuck on. What was that? What was that, bro? Today. No, that's not today. It's not today. It is July 24th. Today. 9:45. That's CAD? No, USD. Damn, I didn't even check. I don't know why I didn't think it was news till Friday, but I mean that's a good rejection off this 5 minute zone. Um, Great rejection actually, but definitely want to let it play out a bit more. Yeah, we got plenty of time left in this 5 minute candle, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Do I take the trade? We will get a push back up there, but I can get a better setup because we have a order block here or even a range. So if we go here, it's an order block. We could wait on the unicorn depending on what this closure looks like in 1 minute. And really, hold on, this is a unicorn in itself. We have order blocks right here. That's 50%. Dang. I ain't even peeped this for real. Fair value got 50% order block. I missed out. But I will give in. This is lit. Okay, I'll just have to take it on the 1 minute. It is what it is. And it's crazy, bro. I'm hesitating. I would have taken that trade yesterday. It's like I'm so close now. It's like, but now this down here is the trade I would take 100%. Unless, what does this look like? Not gonna lie, bro. There really is no unless. If we go down, I'm taking it. No. Yeah, we'll go ahead and take this trade. Template, RT, trade, buy, stop loss. Damn, now I am expecting us to even come and fill that. That wasn't supposed to happen. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Damn, I'm OD thinking this one. Oh shit. Now this is the trade I want to take. I'm not gonna lie. Fuck up order. We're gonna take it live time. Yes. That will still probably play out. But I'd rather take this one. Okay. Hmm. We have a daily gap there. I forgot I was really trying to sell today and buy on gold. We still haven't hit where I would have had my entry, so mm, buy limit, okay, copy price, stop loss, mm, paste, three. Looks like we about to get tapped in now. I was expecting us to come fill that. I low-key wanted to put my order down there, but it is what it is. We didn't even tap into it right there, at least. Still can. Oh yeah, YM shot right down, right down to that daily gap, bro. Right where I wanted it to. I just forgot. If I'm being honest, I just forgot. And that break is all I needed to get down there. Just straight up forgot. Dang, and that's our gold on the close on the 5 minute. 15 still look cool. Really don't want this gap to inverse. That's really all I don't want. Absolutely don't want to happen. What's gold on to do here? That's not what I want to see. What we gonna do with it though? As long as we close back inside the box, we're good. Every time we close back inside, it's like confirmation that this is actually a good setup. You know, that we wick outside the box and come back into it. Mm. Oh, I didn't see that. Hey, babe. Mm. I hate I ain't take that YM trade. Hate I ain't take that. Hate I ain't take it. Hate I ain't take that. Hate I ain't take it. Damn. It is what it is, though. Rocking with baby gold once again. And I need to start writing down my bias on some shit. Because I knew good and well I was supposed to be selling on YM today, buying on gold today. But I almost took a buy on YM. And look what would have happened. Like, I almost took a buy right here. because manipulation, you know. But usually I take inversion gaps on YM, but for some reason I thought we were gonna bounce off of this, and I ignored the fact I was bearish today, and we had this gap here that we just broke straight through with momentum. I would have had my entry somewhere around here, stops right around here, and that junk went crazy. But I do know we will be buying at some point off of here, so I'll go ahead and mark off 50% of this fair value gap, which we just tapped, it looked like. But yeah, still in drawdown on gold. Getting a slight push towards the upside now. We're struggling to break out of the range, though. That's the main thing we're struggling with as of right now. I hate when the numbers and the candles don't match up. That'd be the most annoying. There we go, gold. Now don't reject off this gap. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. If we inverse it, I'll be a lot more. So we got two gaps to inverse inside of each other. Let me take this line out. So it's like if we do break out of here, we'll be set for a decent while. This is where I had wanted my TP to be at, which we could definitely do. I just need a better push out. Of course, we're gonna reject out of shit, react out of stuff a certain way, but end of the day, it's about how we break out. How are we closing? Now, I'm right in between a buyer's and a seller's market. We got things getting respected, things getting heavily respected, and then we have short-term sellers coming in and getting things reacted. Like things are reacting off of the orders that the short-term sellers are making here. Now, will it be enough volume to get us back to the downside? We don't have a reason to go back to the downside. But yeah, we have no reason to go back to the downside. So I just trust my analysis. And we wait. And wait. And wait. But this is the day with a pretty good bit of volume. We had news. We just got to break out. That's literally it. Like we're getting a great reaction right here. This could be a crazy, stupid, wicked wick. Or it could be the breakout I've been waiting on. So we'll just have to see. And honestly, if we get the breakout I'm waiting on, I'll throw another entry on. Because at that point, we break out of here, inverse all this, we're going to the highs basically no matter what. I'm just going to add one contract on. It did move my break even a little bit higher, but I can't move my stops below this range now because this range is strong as the shit. Ooh, and we did get a rejection wick. And we did fully respect it. That's actually crazy. Fully respecting that gap after doing all that is actually crazy. So now we're still waiting. I threw that extra entry on a bit early, but now still at this point we should have no reason to break below this range here. So now we just wait. We'll definitely see what happens if we do get down around that point, But like I said, I'm not all too worried about um, price action going against me right now. Because I really should have got in way down here. That was where my original entry was on the 5 minute. But it was just like too clear. I'm just like, yo, that was just too clear as day. And I literally called out. I was like, man, it's early on in the candle. Hold on. Come on. And everyone and their auntie getting faked out right now. Everybody's getting faked out right now. News throwing people off. This price action throwing people off. But we already got a break. What happens after the break isn't up to me. Because we're going to follow through. It's just a matter of when we going to follow through. You see what I'm saying? So now this gap got inversed. This gap got inversed. So now we can clear up the charts a little bit. And we can also add my entry position. We got in at 50%. So we got in about here. That extra entry is the only reason my line got shifted up. So my original stops were down here and my TP up this way, just above a 2.6. Damn, gold. I'm just about to pass this challenge. I just need 1,000. Just 1,000 more bucks would do it. And the top of that wick is that rack. So I mean, not is the rack, but is closer to it. If you'll see when we get back up there. So I know we have if we do want to reject now, we have a gap here for protection. If we retrace, we'll have another gap there. 5 minute, we don't technically have a gap yet, but we could. Now, this is early for a rejection wick, so I'm not all too much worried about it, just because how early on in the 5 minute candle it is. We do have this 1 minute gap. I don't like seeing that down up candle here though. It is what it is though. Tapped into it. Oh, I do got a drink. It's like my ice be moving and I'll be like, hold on, bro. Hold the fuck on, bro. Yeah. It's too early in that 15 minute candle as well. I'm not buying a rejection right here. But they are trying to get me back to break even. Sheesh. But yeah. A rejection right there, I'm just not buying. That's a fake out. If I've ever seen a fake out in my life, this is a fake out. Just saying. And that candle right there getting respected is proof. But someone closed their entries when we got it down. When that big black candle was about this low, when it was like the same size as this one, he was like, "Oh shit, it's about to be two back to back. Let me got up out of there." And then they see it close like this, they're sick. That's how it be. And it took me a while to stop closing early. It took me a while. And I was so close to passing my challenge just then. It's like, damn, shorty, not shorty, but damn, gold. Like that's how you do me. Damn, gold. Now I really don't want this to get respected, but I mean we do have disrespected, but we do have a 3 minute gap below. And that was like my last safety net. YM still going down for the time being. That is. So that gap did get respected. 3 minute is our last line of safety. Um, yeah, it's 3 minute gap. We tap it. That rejection is crazy. But did we tap it? Let's see. Yeah, this gap is my last line of defense, people. My last line of defense. If this doesn't get respected, trade's over with. So I'll know in the next minute if this trade is going to lead me to tomorrow or is going to lead me to passing the challenge. I will know here very soon. And the way these numbers are spiking and going crazy right now, I'm not liking it. I'm not too much for it. I just went from 400 to 50 to 90 to 130 to 170 to minus 70 to minus 110. Like, this shit's crazy. Sheesh, dog. Sheesh. Yeah. Not looking too great. We just filled it completely, though. It's raps. It's raps. Damn, dog. That's just tough. And it's like, I know we want to buy. Like, that's all we want to do is buy. Where are my original stops at? Like, I don't even want to move shit. I'm not going to move shit. I'm just going to close the fucking charts as soon as that bitch gets hit. Just close the charts. Sick, bro. I'm probably going to upload this too, man. We were so close to passing right here. And now we're not, too deep in drawdown. The limit, I think, or I know, is 6,500. It's trailing drawdown. This L would be around 1,000 if it does end up being an L. 9 times out of 10, it will. Pain, man. All a part of trading. Gotta accept it. That extra entry did me no good. And I am still in entry. Jesus Christ. I ain't even think about that. It's like, damn, do I let this hoe ride or? It's like, where are we going? Why? It be the trades that you're the most confident in that just take your money, man. They just fiend it off. Crazy shit. I am ready to close this bitch. If we break back below there, I'll go ahead and close it. Go ahead, break back below. It is what it is. I live to trade another day. But it's like that spike was so crazy. I should have just closed. It's not very likely that the candle closes that size. It's crazy. What even is my Oh. No, but we just got saved by the bell. You better believe I'm gonna get my entries back in there if we start respecting. Best to believe that. But this could be a unicorn in the other direction. 50% of this gap getting hit. It's like, damn, this could be a retest of this inversion gap. It's like, damn, like what couldn't it be, bro? And this would have been break even if we wouldn't have thrown that extra entry on. I'll be pretty confident if we close all bullish like this though. Like, god damn. How do we want to close? Y'all tell me. Y'all tell me how we want to close. You want to close up there? Or you want to close at more like 110? That's what I'm feeling. Damn, okay. So all these gaps definitely did get inversed. .5 minute has not closed yet. Still have a minute 20 left on there. We do want the 5 minute to close rather bullish. I wonder if this would be the main gap that I want to get respected. Get on down there, Gold. Get on down there, Gold. All depends on the reaction we get out of here. Don't start this shit, Mike, bro. We ain't did this shit all day, bro. Don't start this, bro. I would so much rather tap into this fair value gap before going up, bro. Don't do this to me, Gold. I would so much rather tap in first. I don't even trust it the same if we end up breaking out like this. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, that would be a 3 minute flip and a 5 minute flip if we were to come back to break it. And now we tap into it, but we didn't really get into it. So it's like, don't trust it. Still don't trust it. I know what a good reaction looks like. Come on, Gold. Don't bullshit with me. I get a rejection, respecting this box, respecting this box. We tapped into 2 of them bitches. Definitely gotta watch and see how it closes. Jesus. I'm in. I filled the daily gap, retested the highs. Damn, and threw a 3-minute setup. I hope I'm not just on the wrong side of the market today. That there would suck. Just being honest. If I was just straight up, flat down, on the wrong side of the market, that would suck. And it's honestly looking like I am. Because this early on in the candle, bro, a second in, we push up like that. If we close with no bottom wick, that would be beautiful. I can't lie, that would be beautiful. But the odds that this whole candle just stay bullish the whole time, it's not likely. It does happen every once in a while when a bullish candle doesn't have a bottom wick. It does happen every once in a while. And it's definitely happening now. Not gonna lie. There's no way we shoot back down there in 10 seconds. If we did, I don't even give a fuck. I'm closing my computer. Y'all might not see me for a week. No lie, some shit like that happened, bro. Pushing up once again. Off of manipulation. I'm not gonna move anything yet. But I will add to a winner if it does end up being a winner. It's like we have the volume today. There's just no reason. It's just no reason. Um, Now, 15-minute closes up there. We are in the clear. We're like out of the drawdown per se. Not even drawdown. The choppiness, like just the choppy bullshit in general. We'd be out of it. So now we have this gap here. Yes, that gap is there. we could use as a safety net. But as soon as this 30-second candle goes out, the 15 minutes gonna have to make a bottom wick. So, and the 30 is gonna have to make a bottom wick too. 15, boom, 14 seconds, and yeah, that bottom wick can definitely oh snap, don't tell me top wick first. Or don't tell me this 15-minute. Okay, it said it allegedly has a bottom wick. Allegedly. But before I get any more entries in, we would have to respect something. I'm not just going to throw an entry in just to throw an entry in. I need us to pull back and respect something. Now we're right back up around where we were earlier. I hope this isn't just another like range per se, but we're coming down here. I say range as in like range, like big range. We'll come to the top of the range. We'll come to the bottom of that whole type shit. That's what I don't want. Now we just tapped into this fair value gap if you want to use it, but I want like an actual pullback. It's probably something clean. Or not anything clean on the 3 minute yet. Everything's 1 minute. 5 minute, we broke above these wicks. 15 minute, we closed above these wicks as well. So yeah, it should be a clean ride to take profit. We already did lose about 900 today. We did make that back already. Not make it back. It's in the trade right now as we speak. Oh, that's my rack line. Huh. So we still have 2 days left in this week. I don't want to risk anything crazy, but I know how gold does. I know what gold typically wants to do. Typically, we've been in and out and around this trade for about 50 minutes now. Arnold Palmer, if anybody was wondering. Alright. Crazy. No, I don't need another rejection wick. I'm just letting you know that now. That's not what I need in my life. It's not what I need in my life right now. But I do need us to respect this box here. This is the box that I want us to respect. And if we get some bullish price action out of this box, you already know. You already know. Yes, come on down into it. This is what I was expecting you to do. Come on down. Oh my goodness. we tapped into the gap I wanted us to tap into. We got some sort of reaction off of it. Nothing crazy. We'll mark off 50 on this gap as well. See how it closes. Respecting fully. That's a good rejection wick. Now I just need to see us break through this box and close with some volume. And we can expect to at least take out this high. At the very least. Once we inverse that gap. Close with volume, breaking it with volume. I just need a closure. I don't need no crazy rejection that comes back and respects it. So just added 2 more positions. Now we're expecting to, come on, shitty. Oh no, that's not what I want to see. I don't want that to get inversed. I will close immediately if we inverse this. I wouldn't give a fuck. I wouldn't give a fuck. What do we want to do, Gold? I'm not losing money here. I'm not gonna lie. So, Gold, if that's what you were expecting to happen today, it's not. And I know that even if I were to close this right now, like, say we inverse this gap that I'm talking about, and then I have to close, we're still gonna buy today. Like, that's the part that be getting me. Like, we're still going to be buying today. It's just a matter of when, bro. Man, I'm not trying to lose no money, but I'll give a double bottom a chance, and that's about it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'll give a double bottom a chance, and that's about it. But it's like so much stuff to still be respected. It's like, it's tough. It's tough. So what I'll do, modify order. There's 5 units on the table. Um, Graciously, we have no reason to break below here. No reason at all. Got 10 seconds left in that candle. That's a good time to push. Need a bottom wick, unless we want another candle without it, but most don't. I don't like sitting through candles with no bottom, without any opposite wick. There we go. It's really all about the timing, though. What happens at this point is what matters. Well, I shall be right back. It's like my whole entry, everything's just messed up at this point. But if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Come back, I'm in somewhat profit. I come back, I'm in somewhat profit. I really don't too much care today. As you can see, it looks like we're about to get stopped out, but I won't be here for it unless I am here for it. But geez, I just want to stick around and see if it happens. But if that's 190, I'll just say 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, no, 2, 4, 6. I'll probably lose around 700 on this trade. Count balance, I'm still up. As long as I don't drop below 260, I don't too much care. But obviously, I'd still be sick if I lost this trade party. Would still be very sick. That was a good push, but there's still over 30 seconds left. I don't care. Like, I don't care when that happens. But yeah, I'll be right back. If you know, you know. If you don't, you're broke, nigga. Anyone in this bitch? Capital Connect trading the bop. I see. Get out of my trade. Get out of my chat ASAP before this whole shoots to stop loss. I know you want your revenge. I know you want your revenge, gang. what has gold done since I left? Some bullshit type shit. No way that gets respected. There's just no way. What the fuck? Gold, gold, gold. Oh my goodness. Gold, gold, gold. You know how to blow me. Hold on, bro. Gold knows how to blow me. If anybody else knows, it's gold. Alrighty. On to the next gap. Ain't no bottom wick here. I would like a fucking bottom wick if you could spare it. But at this point, I don't want a bottom wick because that wick is going to be humongous. I don't want it. I don't want it. Don't give me one. I'm telling you right now, I don't want that shit, bro. Don't give me no bottom wick. Don't give me no double top. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Need about 1,400 to pass this challenge. I definitely don't want to force it. Don't want to rush it. Nothing like that. Hell no. Not trying to do that. Need about 900 more at this point. What do we want to do? Go, just straight up be real. Just tell me what you want to do. Okay. Okay. For real? Okay. I ain't gonna tell y'all what Gold just said to me. You know, classified information. But let's see. Let's see. Drag this over, I guess. I really don't know. Like my entry stuff, I don't really know. Like what my tool should look like, if you know what I'm saying. My entry tool, have no clue what it should look like. So that line is tapping into a gap. We break through there. Okay. Just tapped into a gap. I don't want to see an inverse of this gap. Sure, it still could happen. But I need about 200 more bucks and I am out of here. 100, 200, 250. Come on, do it for me one more time. One more good push. One more good push and I'm out of here, y'all. Just one. One more good push. And I'm out of here. Won't gotta worry about me no more. You feel me? That's all I need. Come on. That was so close, it don't make no sense. It doesn't make no sense. Man, come on now. I seen it on the screen, I just didn't close, bro. I don't want to have to come back and pass this whole tomorrow. But I definitely don't want it to be another 2, 3, 4, 5, however else many days, you know? A clean break of these highs would mean a pass of my account. We're hella close once again. Oh, we just hit it. I wasn't looking. Come on, flip, flip. I just need you to flip. It's not very likely that this candle just doesn't flip. There we go. There we go. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. We passed. And what after that? And what after that, man? What now, man? Huh. Talking about I'm trading the bop. The bop just made the bop. You feel me? Bro, don't start this shit, Mike. It's always when I think I'm done and I'm about to wrap up the video, you want to start just messing with me for no reason. We're not doing it today, okay? So, yeah, I mean, this feels good. I'll definitely post this trade live, being that it's the trade that passed my Apex account. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Or, I'm not sure, honestly. I'll definitely probably still see y'all tomorrow. I'll just trade that old Forex account that I was using. But yeah, appreciate everyone for tapping into the stream. 8:30 tomorrow. See you there. Don't miss it.